In this video, I'm going to show you how to revolve a shape around an axis. I'm in the midst of drawing a table, and if my table is round and it has an unusual profile, like this one does here, what I would recommend that you do is go to one of the side views. I'm in the front view at the moment, and construct the portion of the drawing that's going to be revolved around an axis. So I have my coordinate point 0, 0, 0 right here, and I've basically drawn half of the profile of the table. So the other half will appear over here after I do the revolve process. I've got it set so the top of my table is at 29 inches, and eventually I'll add legs for the table, but for the moment I'm just going to focus on this piece right here. Right now it's just a collection of lines, and in order for me to revolve it, I need to turn it into a closed polyline. So I'm going to use the polyline edit tool, and then I'm going to select one of the lines and then join them. Okay, so now I have a closed polyline, and I can revolve this and it will generate a solid out of the closed polyline. One thing you need to make sure of is that there are no sort of open gaps at any of the joints, because if that happens, instead of getting a solid, you'll end up with just a surface. All right, you can just type in revolve once you have that shape closed. You'll be asked to select an object. I'm going to select that half of the table. I'm going to press enter, and then it'll ask me for the axis by which to rotate the object. So since I've been kind of diligent about making 0, 0, 0 a sort of important point in this piece, I can input that coordinate as my first point, and I can simply pick any point along the axis. So you might make sure that your ortho constraint is on and pick your second point. Okay, then it'll ask for basically the degree of rotation, and this is going to be a round table, so I would just go with the default, which is 360 degrees. Press enter, and so now I have this tabletop that looks like this. Okay, and I'll undo so you can see what it looked like before I did the revolution. See, it's just a series of lines, and that's it.